advice and then special person for us. Okay? Do you understand here? Now we are going to learn about the lesson name is the guest of honor. The guest of honor. This is your first lesson for first standard. Okay? Do you understand here? What does it mean by the guest of honor? An important guest at an event. Okay? What does it mean by the guest of honor? An important guest at an event. Now we are now to learn about important character in this story. Okay, first one character name is Mullah Nasruddin. Mullah Nasruddin. And then second character name is wealthy friend. He is friend of Mullah Nasruddin. Okay, and third one character name is the host. Host is a very very important character, and then host means party giver. Okay, and then last one character name is gods. We have two gods in this story. Okay, and totally we have five characters in this story, and this is very very interesting story and then good moral story. Okay, dear, all of you listen carefully. Okay. Okay, let's start our story. One day, Mullah Nasruddin received an invitation to a banquet. It's very very important banquet. Banquet means festivity. That means festivity or reception. Okay, and Mullah Nasruddin received the invitation for banquet, and the messenger said like this: "My master held the banquet in your honor, sir. Please, sir, do come." He said that like this, and Mullah Nasruddin answer like that: "All right, I will come to the banquet. No problem, I will come, sir." And Mullah Nasruddin get ready to go to banquet hall. On the day of the banquet, Nasruddin reached at the banquet hall, and Nasruddin reached the banquet hall in ordinary dress instead of fancy dress. And then outside of the banquet hall, and there is standing some gods, two gods there. They said like this: Nasruddin wearing very very ordinary dress. He didn't look like a rich man. He didn't understand them. And then gods said like this: "Where do you think you are going, sir?" God said like that. At that time, Nasruddin: "I am the guest of honor. I am the guest of honor." He said like this, but they can't understand because he is wearing a very ordinary dress. Okay, and then another one god said, "An important banquet is being held on that in grand manner, and a person look like you, and you can't come here." Okay, he said like this. The gods are said like this, so he is very shocked. "I am the guest of honor, but they can't understand me." So he is very shocking. And then he tried to say, "I am the guest of the honor, sir." But the gods didn't understand. They are laughing. Ha ha ha. Of course, if you are guest of the honor means I am the emperor himself. They are saying like this. But our Mullah Nasruddin say again, "I am the guest of the honor, but you can't understand toward the door and his friend welcomed him. Dear, welcome my dear friend, welcome my dear friend. How do you do? His friend asked like that. How do you do? Like that. And Nastuddin said, I am good my dear friend. How do you do? He said. And then his friend answered, I am good too. And well, Nastuddin said, again, do you still have your new robe dear? Because last year you showed me. Why did you ask like this, Nastuddin? Because he want to wear new robe. Because he want to go to banquet hall. You know very well. Do you understand here? Then only he asked them new robe. Okay, robe means dress. Okay, robe means dress. And his wealthy friend said, I do. Why dear? Do you want it? He said like this. And Nastuddin, yes, of course dear. Just for in this evening only. He said all stories about banquet hall. And now I wear old dress. That means ordinary dress. So they didn't allow me go to inside the banquet hall. That's why I want to wear new dress. So because asked like this, he said like that, and they are speaking very calm and they are very happy. And your wealthy friend said, here it is. You can keep it here if you want it. And then Nastuddin said like this, yes dear, but just for this evening, okay? Because I want to wear this new robe. And one thing, if I have new things, for example, eraser and pen, new pen and color pen, marker, and then any other things. If I have new things, I have to help others. Like that, here, friends all are speaking like that. And his friend, Nastuddin friend, has a new robe. That's why he asked them. Okay. And Nastuddin want to wear a new dress. That's why he asked from his friend. Okay. Do you understand or not? Do you understand here? Okay. Very good. And then Nastuddin is wearing new robe and they came back to the banquet hall. Okay. And in this situation, Nastuddin and gods are speaking someone. Okay. Now, gods are speaking like that. Sir, welcome. Please come this way, sir. And gods are saying like this. And a little while ago, they said, move on, don't crowd the gate. They said like this, but now they are very changed. Why? They need to look only a dress. Now he is wearing a new dress, you know that. That's why they are speaking like this. Please, sir, come this way. Go to the banquet hall, sir. They said like that. So, Nastuddin is very shocking. It was very clear. Gods had not recognized Nastuddin as a man. They sent away a little while ago. They didn't understand he is a Nastuddin a little away. And then, sent away a little while ago his man. They didn't recognize. Okay, do you understand here? At that time, Nastuddin is very shocking. Okay, and then enter the banquet hall. The ghost escorted Nastuddin to head table because he will go to guest of the honor, so then only he will sit there. Okay, do you understand here? Do you understand or not? And then the ghost introduce the Nasruddin, honorable, like that, honorable guest, it's very pleasure to introduce all of the guest of honors, and he is a noblest and wisest Mullah Nasruddin. He introduced like that, and then they are sitting and eat dinner, and the ghost said like this, please have some hot and delicious soup, sir. There is so many delicious food. There is so many delicious food, and then especially he likes very much a soup, hot and delicious soup. And he said like this, the ghost said like this, and our Nasruddin, of course, I will eat. He said like this. Nasruddin said like that. Okay. Now Nasruddin picked up a spoon and then began pouring the soup on his new robe. Do you understand here? Now Nasruddin pouring the soup and on his new dress, because he is very shocked and then some offended. So that's why he reacted like that. He is pouring a soup on his new dress, and then the ghost asked her, sir, what are you doing now? What are you doing, sir? The Nasruddin said like this. Nasruddin answered, yes, just feeding your guest of honor, sir. What I say again? Nasruddin said like this, just feeding your guest of honor, sir. He said, because they want to look like your new dress. He wearing your new dress, and then they honor the only guest of the corner, your new robe. Then only he said like this. And Nasruddin said, oh great, sir. I do hope you enjoyed this soup. After all of you, the guest of honors, not me, sir, because he offended someone, you know very well, outside in the banquet hall. Okay, do you understand here? Then only he said like this, not me. And the ghost said like that, I know, sir, we have offended you some way. Please, sir, tell me what happened. He said like that. And then Nasruddin told the host the entire story of his gods. And the ghost asked the gods, and they are asking apologies to his Mullah Nasruddin. Okay, dear? Do you understand? How to ask sorry, apologies, like apologies. Apologies means say sorry. Okay? Apology means say sorry. And finally, gods, we are extremely sorry, sir. We have learned the important lesson, and we know true worth of a man, and we need to look beyond our clothes. It's very important to understand, sir. We have realized ourselves, sir. He said like this. So now Nasruddin and the ghost also very happy, and they got some understanding the situation. Now I have to give moral of the story. We don't judge the people by their appearance. Okay. We don't judge the people through worth of man in ordinary clothes or fancy clothes. It's not a problem, but we need to look beyond of clothes. Okay, dear? Do you understand or not? Okay dear? Okay dear students, do you understand dears? Do you understand this story? Do you understand this story? Okay. And then I will recall the story, okay? And main character is Nasruddin. He is going to banquet hall in ordinary dress instead of fancy dress. Okay, so gods didn't allow go to the inside the banquet hall. So he tried to say, I am the guest of honor, but God saw didn't understand, and then he didn't allow him. Okay, and then Nasruddin go to his friend home. Nasruddin wealthy friend home. Okay, he went to Nasruddin wealthy friend home, and then he want to get new dress from his friend. Okay, and then now he is wearing a new dress, and they came back to the banquet hall. Okay, and the ghost encountered the Nasruddin to a head table. At the time they are speaking, and then they are introduced the Mullah Nasruddin, and then they have to start drink a soup, and then at the time Nasruddin and take a spoon and then pouring the soup on his new robe, because they want only a new robe. So he feeds soup on the guest of honor. Okay, do you understand here? What I am saying now, do you understand? Okay dear, I hope you understand very well. Okay, at the time the ghost, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing? You are pouring the soup on your dress. So what are you doing, sir? I hope I know. What did he say? Yes, I know, sir. We offered you some way. So please tell me, sir, what happened? The ghost said like that. At the time, Nasruddin told the host the entire story in the banquet hall, and then he said about gods. Okay, dear. And then gods are recognized his mistakes, and then asked apologies. Apologies means sorry. Say sorry. Okay. They are asking sorry, and then they understand the stories. Okay. Finally, moral of the story: don't judge the people by their appearance. Okay, do you understand here? This is our story, and then good morals. And now I have to give some homework. Okay, what did you learn from this lesson? What did you learn from this lesson? And you should write related the story in 5 lines. Okay dear, do you understand? Okay, very good. And then now you should write your new words in this lesson. Okay, this is word and meaning. Okay, first one word is banquet. Banquet means festivity. Banquet means festivity. And second one word emperor. Emperor means king. Okay, next one robe. Robe means already I told you. And dress. Robe means dress, and then pick it up. Pick it up, that means take up. Okay, next one word is often. Often, that means heard. Okay, and then host. Host means party giver. Okay, this is one of the character. And then gods. Gods means protector. Okay, next one apologies. That means say sorry. Okay, these are very, very important. And then you should learn very carefully. Okay, dear. Now you have to write clearly. Okay, you should write all words. This is very, very important in your lesson. Okay, if you know this word and meaning, you can understand very, very easily. Okay, don't go outside. Okay dear, and be safe dear. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet next class.